When working in Illustrator, it can be really handy to rotate your artboard to a more comfortable drawing angle while you work. Here is how to do that. You can find the Rotate View tool under the Hand menu. Right-click on it, and this menu will appear. The Rotate View tool is the second tool in this menu. Click on it, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift-H. Then click and drag on your artboard, and you will see a widget pop up to identify what angle the canvas is now at. You can also hold Shift to rotate in 5-degree steps. When you have these tools selected, a menu at the bottom will appear. Here you can select an exact angle for your artboard. If you like to quick reset the angle of your canvas to 0 degree or default, you can double click on the tool in the toolbar, and you are instantly back to 0. If you are working with your grids turned on, they will also rotate when you are using the Rotate View tool. Also, if you have your rulers turned on and you drag a guide out like you normally would, this will also match the angle of your artboard. And note that it doesn't change any dimensions of your artboard. This is strictly just your view as you are working on more quick. If you want to quickly toggle between any tool in Illustrator, let's say your selection tool and the Rotate View tool, you can hold Shift and space to quickly grab that tool, rotate your artboard, and when you let it go, you will be back to the tool you have selected before.